Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na laibak asigi ing 2024 gi oiba budget puthokre laibak asigi ichaw amadi Natural calamities na sokhalaba state singi tengbang na budget kaithokpada Manipur gi oinadi yawraktre BJP na luchingba anoba NDA laingaki ahum suba term gi ahanba budget asida Agriculture, MSME, Employment, Mahairoi Middle Class ta mitiyeng thamli Finance Minister na Parliament ta puthokiba budget asida laibak asibo Vikshit Bharat ohenabagi pandamda Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha amadi Andhra Pradesh ta ahenba mitiyeng thamkhre budget asige allocation da rural development amadi infrastructure semgatna balupa crore lakh aniga lising hufutaruk anupi amadi nupi macha singa marilenaba scheme singi oina lupa crore lakh ahum lakadawriba chahi manga sige manungda crore mariga dasmik amarom da thabak pinaba lupa crore lakh anigi senfam yauna education employment amadi skill development gi damak lupa crore lakh amadasmik marinipan amasung PM Awas Yosna urban gi makhada laitalaira singi yumsana balupa crore lakh taragi senfam palit nakalamarom da laibag asigi ichaw amadi natural calamities na sokhalaba state singi tengbang na ba budget kaithokpada Manipur gi oinadi yawraktre mahusagi chaitheng fanglaba laibag asigi atopa state singi oina ngasi chathakiba union budget mifamda 8 sing lauthokpada Manipur gi oina yawraktabani ichaw amadi natural calamities na sokhalaba Assam, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh amadi Sikkim gi tengbang na balupa crore lising taramathoiga Chamngagi senfam kaithokle haina Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na budget puthokpada fongdoke Finance Minister na puthokiba budget asida laibak asige fiscal deficit asi chada maridasmik mapan oigani haire.
The people of India have reposed their faith in the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and re-elected it for a historic third term under his leadership. We are grateful for their support, faith and trust in our policies. We are determined to ensure that all Indians, regardless of religion, caste, gender and age, make substantial progress in realizing their life goals and aspirations. Global context. The global economy, while performing better than expected, is still in the grip of policy uncertainties. Elevated asset prices, political uncertainties and shipping disruptions continue to pose significant downside risks for growth and upside risks to inflation.